Hello class. Today we will be discussing the introduction to The Giver by Lois Lowry. This will be a book that we will begin discussing and begin reading tonight in order to prepare for a group project that we will complete by the end of the month. So to begin, I'd like to talk a little bit about the author. Lois Lowry, she was born in 1937 in Honolulu, Hawaii. She's a notable children's book author who is credited with writing 45 children's books. Her most famous novels, Number the Stars, published in 1990, and The Giver, published in 1994, have both won Newbery medals. Though she writes for children and young adults, Lois Lowry is known for writing about difficult subject matters. She has written about topics such as racism, murder, terminal illness, and the Holocaust. The Giver, which focuses on the story of Jonas, is the book that we will be reading this month. The Giver focuses on the story of Jonas, a young 12-year-old boy in a community that has gotten rid of war, pain, and sickness. This community is very interesting because they have gotten rid of pain, war, sickness, by taking away the memories of these feelings. Not only have they taken away the memories of these feelings, they also give members of the community pills which suppress these memories, which they call the stirrings. Jonas is chosen at the age of 12 years old. Children are given assignments and to work as apprentices for the jobs that they will do for the rest of their lives. Jonas is chosen as the community's new receiver of memories and is sent to apprentice with a man known as the Giver. The Giver gives Jonas the memories of the community that he holds, and with it a new understanding of life. So what this means is that all those memories that were erased from the community have been held in one individual, known as the receiver of memories. This is a lifelong job because they know that though not everybody will remember war, pain, or sickness, or all of the bad things that happened beforehand, it's important that one person remembers so that past does not repeat itself. Jonas receives these memories by having the Giver place his hands on his back, which he then receives memories such as riding a sled. With this new understanding of life, Jonas must face isolation, pain, love, and an unforgettable journey as he receives the memories that make life important. Some major themes that are discussed within this novel are community, family, and emotions. As you read The Giver, you'll come to notice some major themes that are discussed in the novel. One of the major themes of the novel is community. In the novel, the community controls every aspect of people's lives. They determine what everyone does with their jobs, who they marry, and how many children they can have. For example, Jonas's parents, his father is a nurturer, and he cares for the newborn infants who are born into the community, while his mother works in the government. Jonas has a younger sister named Lily, and while he does have this younger sister, they're technically only allowed to have 2 children. Though the community is very controlling, Jonas's actions highlight the importance of the individual. Jonas is important because he shows how rebelling against what has been set allows for change and growth in a community. And he grows up as an individual. He has different ideas than the rest of the community. The community controls all aspects of life, including the family. Yet, Jonas comes to learn about what it truly means to be a family as he receives the memories of past lives and comes to care for a newborn named Gabriel, pictured here. He comes to understand that though they are placed in these family ties, and as soon as they are grown, the community tells them that they can move on with their lives, family is about love and care and these emotions that you feel. And the most important theme in the novel is that the importance of emotions to life. As Jonas receives past memories, he begins to not only see more colors, but also to feel powerful emotions such as love, pain, and happiness. In this world, people don't notice the colors around them. It's only those who have these memories and these perceptions, the stirrings, who begin to perceive color. As he comes to realize that though his people don't have an understanding of hate, war, or many painful emotions, this has also taken away their ability to truly feel happiness, love, and joy. So these are some of the major themes that we'll be talking about and discussing in class tomorrow in our discussion groups. I wanted to go over a few of them for you so that as you read these first few chapters of the novel, you can try to identify and look for passages that are important to understand these. For next class, we will be reading chapters 1 through 5 of The Giver. I know this is a little much, but you have all weekend to read it, and it's a very interesting read that will give a lot of background knowledge on what is going on in this community. I will assign discussion groups in class where we will then discuss and identify the major themes and the characters in the novel. In preparation, please write 3 questions that you would like answered about the novel, and we will discuss these questions in class. These may be questions about the theme, about characters, or about anything that has intrigued you so far. I'll try not to give away any spoilers, but I'll help you out with what you need. You will also have time to brainstorm ideas for your class project. Your class project for this month you have 2 options. As the giver portrays the importance of passing on memories and emotions in order to understand life, you will be either required to write a 3 to 5 page short narrative about a powerful memory associated with an emotion, or you may create a 4 to 5 minute video project portraying a powerful memory or emotion. I encourage you to be creative with these. These can be fiction, they can be made up. The video project can be done in pairs or individually. I request that the 3 to 5 page short narrative be as individuals. After your story is written, you will work in your discussion groups to peer review each story or give feedback on the videos that you have created. So these discussion groups will be used for you to bounce ideas off each other about your stories, about your ideas. And as well, I'll be in class ready to help you as we brainstorm next time about what you would like to do. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you on Monday. Have a wonderful weekend.